Wagwan peeps, a lot of you may know and a lot of you may not know. Mama Sinus went home to be with the Lord on the 11th of January at 1:39 a.m. in room 111 of this year, 2025. My mother was my hero, still is my hero and my best friend, because I admire her heart, her love, and who she stands for. And the gift of giving. These are qualities of Jesus. My mother is a strong woman, a very strong woman, and she fought to the very end. While Mom was with me, I always talked to her about these things, about gearing up for when her loved one pass, or if they should pass, you know. But upon having these type of conversations, she always want me to be strong, and she instill the strength of endurance in me to live life and to drop 2 foot, meaning dance. And this is my dear mom, you know. My letter this to mom, that's called Dear Mom. You know, when she was in the ICU, I thank her for everything that she done for me, you know. I don't know what it's gonna be like without mom. And for me, it's chaos. A lot of evil things I've observed and seen. A lot of changes. It's definitely an eye-opener without you here, Mom. You are my best friend, my party. You know, Mom, my dear one, being the wash belly, as they would call me, the last one. Mom was always protective and defensive of me. You know, always don't want nobody to trouble me, none at all growing up. And it's the same for me, even when mom is wrong. Very defensive of my mom, because I'm my best friend that. To the good days and the bad days, man. John, know. Mom been there from 1947 to now. Mom has always been there for me, you know. And life itself from this point will never be the same. It's a shift, Mom. A lot of things has changed, a lot of things has happened, Mom, you know. Enough things, you know. If you were here, you know, would have been different. Trust me, man, Mom. Glad I get the chance to tell her that I love you, you know. And throughout that time, I see that you held on and you fight. You know, tomorrow will be your birthday. You know, the 20th. You would be 78 years old. Why, Mom? Dear Mom, you did for beat Grandma still. You know, Grandma went all the way to 86 years old. And I was hoping you would beat her and go at 90. You always say that you're gonna live long. But I thank you for all the lessons that you taught me. Thank you for being there with me when I make my mistakes. Time them when you have my back. You know, I've yet to truly cry none at all. Cause I know you always must stay strong. Why, Mom? On the Sunday, you wanna come out here and you would eat your food and just chill, you know? Up on your phone, you know? I have your phone, Mom, and I've been calling a lot of people, you know? A lot of people miss you. You know, Mom? A lot of people miss you. And a lot of your students too, you know? Talk to our students or your Teresa. We usually do your hair and my hair, come by the house. Yeah. She heartbreak, man. A lot of people cry. Auntie Carla, Auntie Jackie them, you know. Auntie Bev, your family them, you know. Auntie Jennifer, second mother. 200 them, your adopted son. You know, Junior them. Miss Sinus and Marja Sinus and Sherry Sinus, you know. Always checking in. Why? So my day I look like goat. I'm not even shave, Mom. I went to work and did 2 tours and it hasn't been the same. I feel no vibes. Oh, by the way, Joe said to tell you hello. And he misses you too. And he says to thank you for accepting him for being. He says to tell you thank you for accepting him as a son, you know. Joe said to tell you that, Mom. And him and Desi miss you a lot. But may I stay strong, right, Mama? May I stay strong. I'm a big boy. Must be strong. And I know you don't want me to be strong. Not only for myself, but the entire family. You made it to 2025, Mom, but you never get to come home. But me and the family, we were here and we, especially me and Miss Sinus, we spend most of the nights time with you. When you're at the hospital, Mom, I clean. I never stop clean, Mama. 2 weeks now I clean. My back hurt me. My tailbone hurt me. A lot of pain, Mom. And even before you left us, I was doing it in faith, Mom, because I believe, say, you would have come home. Dear Mom, Auntie Jody down by First Dance Studio and the rest of the family, they send their love. They said they wish they gotten the opportunity to see you because they say that you're a good woman, you know. So much people love you, Mom. I know you there fight. You go with bad mom. You suffer. You suffer, mom. You never did. It's rough. It wasn't easy seeing you like this, you know? When I'm around you, mom, I don't feel afraid, you know? Mama Limal say it's in her regards to you, know? Auntie Laverne and Pops come by the house the other day, you know? And Denny too, you know? Yeah. And your adopted daughter Yulan was here yesterday. You know, Raima, Junior, and Fern to your friend. Them come last night, mama. We were playing games, playing music, you know. You have a little sniffles. Normally, I tell me if you go mix up something. You want me sinus? Our Fern. Mom, she's not there, you know, man. You suffer. Mom, you did for there in 2025 right now. The 19th, ready to go celebrate your birthday. Your son had big plans for you. I want you rough. Dear mom, remember that. Can't find the words, you know. You have taught me a lot and I did to learn more, mom. I did to learn more, mom. You not even teach me how to make your famous Christmas punch. You did tell me, but I forget. Mom, you did for there. If you see baby sign us, I graduate, you know? AKA Leah, you know? But I try to be the better man that you want me to be, mom. Be one of difference, one of change, and one way hold up Jesus. Because you always taught me that you and grandma, two ownership are still there. I'm going to continue to be an anchor for Jesus. You always tell me that I have your Bible. Mom. Right now, mom, I wish you did there. Nobody love can match like yours, trust me. Unconditional. You don't have no condition. What? There is no other love like a mother love, you know? Only Jesus love. Well, Rome, you still here, mom, and thing, you know, everybody try process things. It's not easy, mom. Every day I wake up me in your room. I clean it when I need to clean, so till my back all hurt me. Then I paint the place. But I wish it was being painted when you were here. Cleaned while you were here. Dear mom, you're gone. No, you're in a better place now. You know? Mom, you're there with God. Even better than here. Because the Bible says you must cry when somebody born. Because they are coming at this evil and wicked world. But rejoice when they leave. Because they're either here or there. Them no have to deal with nothing like this no more. All that they have worked on has fallen under the sun. So all of this, you see your life stay? All of this where you work for, mom, gone. It never meant nothing at the end of the day. House, car, land, all of that, gone. You can't carry it with you go to grave. And at the same thing what the Bible says, as Mamuna say. As me I share with everybody while I write this speech to mom. Live life, fear God, and enjoy the plot of the land. Enjoy it, because down here is just a playpen. And you see, just like that, life is fragile. That's why I'm always telling you, journey with your boy. I always say it. It means watch my progress. Go through the obstacles, the up and the downs in our life. Journey with your boy and journey with yourself too. Dear mom, it's been truly an honor. Thank you for everything what you do. And this is just part one of the letter them. This love letter. This letter of admiration may I write to you.